Hi, my name is Myndee Reed. I'm with the Kansas Livestock Association, and I am here with you today to talk about what's been happening in the legislature this past week. First of all, the corporate farming laws, which is something that we have spent quite a bit of time on and have heard quite a bit about, are basically at this point not going to be passed in this session. The hope by the Department of Agriculture is that they can get that taken care of next year, but as far as this year is concerned, those will not be sent to either of the houses. We do have some good news with regard to the nuisance legislation, or the Right to Farm Act, that was passed. That has now been passed out of both the Senate and the House. That nuisance bill is very helpful to our members. A couple of things, or a few things that it does, is that it limits damages in nuisance cases. It offers protection to future landowners from nuisance cases or nuisance actions brought against them. It also defines when a nuisance will be abated or when a nuisance will be considered permanent. And so we're very hopeful that that will be passed out. It is currently will be sent to a Senate-House conference committee, and then hopefully on to the governor for his signature. A couple of things with regard to the separation distance timing, which is very important for our members as well. That is something which allows the timing of the habitable structure to be determined at the initial beginning of the application process, as opposed to at the end of the process. This looks like we're in pretty good shape with regard to that. It has passed the House. It awaits action by the full Senate, and we'll keep you posted on what's going to happen with that. Finally, with regard to the Kansas Restraint of Trade Act, there was a lot of work done on that last week. We are very excited for our members that we were able to, at this point in the bill drafts, have an exemption for anyone who is governed by the Packers and Stockyards Act, which would be most of our members in that regard. And that is going to be in either, it appears as though will be in either of the bills that end up coming out of the House or the Senate, and so we're excited about that.